I'm Terry Clark. I'm a woodworker, wood turner, steampunk artist from Troutdale, Virginia. For about 30 or 40 years, I've turned a lot of bowls and lamps. The aspect of my work that relates to Grayson County is back when I was doing lamps and bowls, 99% of the wood that I use, I cut myself with a chainsaw out of Grayson County. The way I came to be doing steampunk, some friends, Deb and I and some friends were sitting around our kitchen table one night, a couple of years ago, and the idea that I used to make spinning wheels came up. And somebody said, I wonder if you can make an electric spinning wheel. And they went home, and I went to bed that night and thought all night about how to make one, and came over here the next day and mocked one up just out of 2x4s just to see if it would work. And yes, it did work. So then I started making a line of electric spinning wheels. I don't remember how the steampunk aspect came about, but the electric spinning wheels evolved into steampunk spinning wheels. And then I thought, why not make steampunk lamps and other things, steampunk birdhouses, whatever. The animal shelter in Galax is doing a fundraising thing. They take the traditional wooden birdhouses down to the city gallery, and people can come in and pick those up and take them home and paint them and bring them back, and then they auction them off. They said you can make your own, you don't have to use what they have. So I took a can like this yellow color, gold color, and made a birdhouse and took it down there, and it was auctioned off. And then they came back to me a week or so ago and said, can you make us another birdhouse? And I thought, okay. So I thought, let's do something a little bit different yet. And I thought, how about a bird condo? This is off-the-shelf pine 2x6 that will get painted when I'm through it. Except for sanding, that's all there is to it. My work, I show it at the City Gallery in Galax. I show it at the Wholesome Mountain Artisan Shop in Abingdon.